Hi everyone, let's continue talking about future forms. This time a really easy one. We're talking about going to. How do you make an affirmative sentence with going to? Well, it's super easy. First you put your subject, then you put the verb to be, then you put going to, then you put the verb. Okay, for example, let's do it here. I am going to call him later. There you go. There's your sentence. I am going to call him later. Let's do another one. He is going to book his flight today. Okay? And what about one more? Mum's. Oops, that's the verb is. So you can have, of course, the apostrophe S. Mum's going to see us on Friday. Okay, that's easy. We use going to all the time, as I said. When do we use it, though? What does it actually mean? Well, going to talks about an intention, and it's sometimes quite a strong intention. So when I say I am going to call him later, it's my intention to call him later. When we say he's going to book his flight today, his intention is to book his flight today. Or Mum's going to see us on Friday, Mum's intention is to see us on Friday. Be careful with going to, because you will see that it's sometimes spelled like this, gonna. That's actually not correct. It's based on the pronunciation. I'm gonna go, he's gonna book his flight, Mum's gonna see us. It sounds like gonna, but don't write it for schoolwork. Keep it casual. If you want to use gonna, you can write it in messages to your friends, okay? That's all for today. See you next time.